Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 2554 red wall telephone, and this is Joe's equipment from Texas. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Joe has a note with this unit, and he wants to have the original modular port plug that's on the back of this telephone removed, and he wants a short modular cord installed so that he can have more flexibility of how he hangs this telephone. So he wants more options than the original modular port plug that was installed in this telephone. Now we also want to go through this unit. We want to go through the keypad, the transmit, the receive, our handset cord. We're going to go through the network. We're going to make sure everything is wired properly and that it's tight. We also want to go through the bell and the bell circuit. So while the telephone is in the shop, we're going to be going through everything, the entire unit. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this Western Electric 2554, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. ending at 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Saturday, January 27th. The current time, 8:10 p.m. And the temperature, 43 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 2554 has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Joe and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.